So, you're wondering how to pick your mod on Twitch. Let's talk about it. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Kyle, but I go by Iamtripleg online. And I am your stream sensei. In this video, we're going to talk about something super serious, and it's going to be something that affects your growth on Twitch or on whatever streaming platform you stream to. We're going to be talking about picking your mods. But first, it says that 85% of you guys aren't subscribed. Am I doing something wrong? Like, should I... What should I do? Leave a comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe. So a lot of you are here because you just hit that requirement on Twitch to be allowed to get mods. And maybe you're not, and you just want to like refresh your memory on what mods do, or you're here for more tips and tricks on how to pick a new mod, you know, because it's not everyone's first rodeo. So I know a lot of videos on the internet right now go with more of the positive sides of picking up the mods. I'm gonna go negative first because I'm a rule breaker and such a BA, because picking a mod can be very, very hard, and if you pick the wrong one, it can get harder. So let's talk about picking the wrong mod. So I got about 5 red flags that you should watch for when you're picking your mods, and these are going to be the ones that are you want to steer clear from. So the first one is the attention grabbers. Anytime that they are in your chat, they are taking all the attention away from the streamer. Those guys, they're the ones that will pop in and be like, guess what, it's my show now, and just try to take over completely your stream. They make you feel like you're not running the show anymore. The next one I want to say steer away from is the donation ruler. Just because you donate doesn't mean you get to be a mod. You can donate hundreds of dollars and you do not have control of the stream. Being a mod isn't a loot box. You can't pay to win. These are the people that will use their money to flex and try to ban just people anywhere and anything. You don't want them to rule your stream, especially when you feel like you're doing well and then all of a sudden they stop, and it's not fun for them. You want to make sure that your mods are not immature or too young. Now, I understand where you're like, I'm Triple G. You don't seem mature enough. And, well, I know. I get that. But with the content that I make and the content that I want to help people make, I feel like they would trust me more or less than worry if I was mature or immature enough. And I'm like, let's just say you're a 42-year-old man playing Warzone. You don't want a 14-year-old modding your thing, because all he's gonna do is ban and mute people for like the whole stream, and that's just not how a streamer should be streaming. Speaking of banning, we don't want the toxic chasers, people that want to cause drama, like banning and like muting people. You don't want people to feel like they're not welcome into your stream because your mod is just like ban, mute, ban, and they are chasing the toxic reaction that everyone is giving them. And you don't want that, because like you see that and you just don't like want to go into that stream anyway as a viewer's perspective. The last thing that you want to steer clear is it's not a person, it's a team. You do not want to have mod walls. Let me iterate this again. Your whole chat is just everyone with a sword. It's intimidating to the viewer. Do not do it. It is not correct. It is the worst thing you could possibly do on Twitch and any other platform. It's just not a welcoming sight for people to come in seeing a new streamer, and then all of a sudden 29 mods come in and say, hey, what's up, and they kind of just like seagull you like from Finding Nemo, and you're just like, no thank you. So we got the don'ts out of the way. I know it was negative. I don't like being negative, but sometimes people need to hear it. So let's talk about some positive stuff. When you're picking a new mod or picking a mod at the beginning, you want to make sure that they are here to help you grow as a streamer. They're not just here to mess around. So my golden rule is someone who wants to support you and give you ideas might be the best choice for you. I know it's asking a lot too, because you don't have the money to pay for a mod. So you're trying to tell them, be like, hey, I need you to do this, this, and this, and this, and this. And then you're like, oh yeah, you're basically an unpaid intern. But if you build a community around yourself and you find like-minded people that want to help you grow, there is gonna be this special little sweet spot that is going to make it so that your mods are very understanding of what you do and help you out and create cool, fun content. So when you're first picking, you want to take the time. You want to see some good personality traits as well as online traits that are suited to yourself. You're making a brand, you're making a community around you, and if they're being a good part of that community, then like you can give them a shot. So as a mod, you're looking for someone that could be a team player that's going to help with creating a fun environment for new followers and welcoming old followers and just welcoming people in general. So a little tip I think you should do is make a requirement list by yourself. Don't give it to the person that you think should be a mod. If they check off all of these marks and they seem like they're gonna be a best fit for you, maybe ask them. Don't make it a big deal. Just ask them, and hey, would you want to do that? This is the weird thing, because you want to make sure that your mods are going to be able to work with you. Like I said earlier, in working as a team, you want to make sure that you're able to grow the stream. And what's going to happen is you're going to need to bounce ideas off of people. Say your mods are asking you to play Uno, and you're like, no, I only play Warzone. Why would I play Uno? But then they're here listening to the community being like, yo, how fun would it be if Triple G played Uno right now? And like, that's something that you should do. You should trust your mods, and they should be able to trust you. And you should be able to work as a team to build a community bigger and stronger and make the best content that you possibly can. You want to pick somebody that you can give some responsibilities to, and as you grow, the responsibility list could also grow. Say I pick somebody and they end up being somebody who is a good friend of mine and can edit videos, and I ask them, hey, can you start editing TikTok videos or my YouTube videos for me? And they're like, yeah, that's okay, I can do that. That's something that you might want. Just remember that the core values is you and your channel and your brand, and making sure that it's what you want and that your mods are following the same rules and they are being good representations of you. It does sound like it's going to be a big time job, but if you make it a fun thing in your community, you can do some cool stuff with that. Just quick thing, I want to give a Triple G personal tip and just some advice. It is okay to give and take away that mod icon on people. Just give them the explanation. Just be like, hey, sorry, I know people get busy, you're not able to mod a lot, or you're not able to join the stream a lot, I gotta take it away. I'm really sorry. Just make sure you're upfront with them, because it's okay. You can do things like that. It's your stream. Cool, guys. If you have any other questions about modding, I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link will be below. Come hang out and let's talk about stuff. Other than that, this video is going to help you do some cool stuff on OBS. It's going to be sweet, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm really like animated with my arms today. I just don't know what to do. And then makes you feel inconspicuous, or whatever streaming whatever streaming platform